Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a project here called Python Lottery Game. So first of all, what we need to do is import time and import the random module here. Now at the top I've created a list called winning numbers and assigned it to an empty list here. So this is going to have the winning lottery numbers in. Now I've started off by creating a function called play lotto. So we've printed this out here and we printed the name out called Python Lottery Game. Then I've created a variable called choice and assigned it to input and given the user some choices. So if the user types in number 1 is play, we will play the game. If they type in number 2, we will exit the game. Now we come on to some logic using the conditional if. So if choice is equal to 1, then we print out a message to the user, let's play. And then we use the time function here, time.sleep, to pause it for 1 second. And then we create, this is the next function here called roll balls. So that will take us down to this function here. Or else, if that's not the case, if the person has entered in 2, which is exit, we'll print them a message and say goodbye and quit the program. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to roll the balls. So we use the print command to print out a message to the user saying rolling. We use the time.sleep and pause it for 1 second. And then we create another function called first number here and we link into it here. So this is the first number. So it will jump from the roll balls to the first number here. We create a variable called number1 and we assign it to random.randint between numbers between 1 and 99 we're going to create. So we're going to create random numbers between number 1 and number 99. Again, we'll give it a time.sleep. This will pause it for 1 second and then we will print out number 1, which is the random numbers. And then we will use winning numbers, which is the list up here, winning numbers, and append number 1. So number 1 will be appended into there. And then we go on to the second function here and we do exactly the same thing. We generate a random number between 1 and 99. And then we print out the number and then we append it to the list. And we do the third number here. It's exactly the same. Random number created between 1 and 99 and then we append it to the list up there. And we do the same for the fourth and the fifth and the sixth number. Once we've finished the sixth number, underneath it we create a function called tonight's numbers. And we link to it from sixth number here. So this is tonight's numbers, which will take us down to here. Then we use the print command to print out a message to the user, tonight's winning numbers are. Again, we pause it with the time function and we pause it for 1 second. And then we print out the winning numbers. Wait, get away. Bloody cat again. Okay, we print out the winning numbers there. And that's it. So what we do to start the program is print play lotto here. So let's run it. And here we go. So it's printed out Python Lottery Game. We've got number 1 play, number 2 exit. So I'm going to exit it. Okay, goodbye. That's the end of that. Okay, let's run it again. And let's play the lottery, shall we? Let's see if we can win something. So this is number 1. Hit entry. Rolling. 4, 91, 53, 10, 87, 79. So tonight's winning numbers are 4, 91, 53, 10, 87, and 79. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, drop me a comment and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.